hope you all are doing well. Have a really great day and let's begin with our today's topic. So today I came with new topic that is function. So we will try to understand basic about function today and moving forward we will try to explore in it. All right. So what does a function means? A function is block of code that performs a specific task. So with the help of functions you can perform specific task. Either you can return its output or you can print it. Alright. So here I have wrote it. A function might carry out a task and print the output or return the output. To define function, we use define keyword. So basically this def is a define keyword in function. This is what we use to define it. After that, while writing the name of function, we are supposed to follow the rules of creating the identifiers. As I already explained about identifiers, but although we will revise it over here. So which rules we follow at the time of creating identifiers? It should be starts with alphabet or underscore. After that it is followed by another alphabet, or you can say number, or maybe variable. All right. And the major thing at the time of creating identifier we do follow, which one is that? It should not contain any special character, means it is not followed by any special character, or that particular identifier won't contain any special character. Okay, so this is what we same follow in function also. So at the time of creating name of a function you have to keep in mind that it won't be any special character. After that it should be starts with alphabet and underscore, and then it is followed by any alphabet, number or variable. All right. So when we put print statement we will get to see the output. That's what we already said over here. And when we use return statement we can store the output in a variable. All right. So after that, why we use string in function? So basically string is a raw part of it. A string written inside the function is used to explain the functionality of function. So basically it is for your purpose, for your understanding. If you visit after some days what you wrote over there in that function, so by using that string you will be able to understand what exactly its functionality is, and that's why we use string. All right. Moving forward, we will try to see its syntax. Very easy syntax we will see over here, and I have already wrote over here. So see, this is really basic syntax. In next video we will try to explore more. We will see its example, how we create and all. Okay, so let's see its syntax. So this is how you have to use define keyword. After that, function underscore name. This is nothing but the function name. Whichever function you are performing and you wanted to give that name to it, you can give it. All right. After that, in parenthesis I have passed capital A over here, and that A is nothing but particular argument you can say over here. After that I have wrote over here in double quote, that is string. So basically I already explained about what is string. Then we have wrote over here statement 1. Likewise you can wrote multiple, and you can store it in any variable also, and I have returned that value. This is the basic syntax of it. We will try to explore in next videos with examples how we can deal with this function. Okay, till the time keep learning, keep upgrading yourself, and do not forget to learn Python with Priyanka. All right, till the time, bye bye. See you. Take care.